guys, welcome to a new video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sandy. I share my love for food, fashion and beauty on my channel, and if you can't already tell, I am 32 weeks pregnant and this is my first video of the pregnancy series. So if you are pregnant or planning for pregnancy, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be sharing my entire experience of this pregnancy, and I think it's going to be very helpful to so many women out there. So today's topic is not very exciting but very helpful. That is nausea. Nausea in pregnancy is very common, especially in the first trimester. So to me, I feel lucky that I had to face the nausea period for just a couple of weeks. That was from 7 weeks till 9 weeks. I know it's more for some women, and some women don't even feel nauseous, which is so good. But during those 2 to 3 weeks, I did some things and I ate some things or drank some things that helped me fight nausea. So I'm going to be sharing everything with you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Let's start with the question, why do women get nauseous in pregnancy? And the reason is hormones called estrogen and progesterone found in women, which drastically increases in pregnancy, and that is the reason we feel nauseous all the time, especially in the first trimester. The levels of estrogen and progesterone comes down as you enter second trimester, and that's why we don't feel nauseous anymore. Here are some of the things that I did to prevent nausea, but to fight nausea. And one of the first things that I did was to eat dry crackers early in the morning, and also before going to bed. So it would be like my last meal. I was already into 1 week of feeling nauseous when I came across this tip by my doctor, and I told my husband that I needed some dry crackers. And basically you can have any dry crackers, but I really wanted to share the ones that my husband got it for me. It's by the brand Vinta. Yeah. And these are roasted red pepper crackers. Surprisingly, this was a great help in the entire nauseous period. I was so happy to have these. As you can see, it's really thin and a dry cracker. So basically you don't want to have something that's buttery or very heavy. Having these dry crackers really helped to settle everything, especially the liquids that I was having, and it did help me quite a bit. So for my entire first trimester, I always had these crackers. During that 7 to 9 weeks, I used to feel nauseous after every meal, and I was scared to drink liquids because that made it even worse. So what I used to do was get plain soda bottles, and I would mix the soda with lime, sugar and black salt, and mix it and drink it throughout the day, which really helped. Also, I looked online and I came to know that ginger is really great for when you feel nauseous. So I was thinking, how can I incorporate more ginger in my diet? So I did include a lot of ginger in my diet, and other than that, I really liked this ginger ale from Canada Dry. This is basically ginger ale soda, and this also was a great relief. Obviously I just used to have a couple of sips of this, otherwise it would make me feel more nauseous if I had more liquids. So when I used to finish my meal, I also liked this gooseberry candy, which is amla ka murabba in Hindi. So these are basically gooseberries that have been dried and soaked in sugar. I found this in one of the Indian stores, but if you can get hands on just fresh gooseberries, you can dip it a little bit in salt and have it. That's also really nice. And the last thing that I liked to have during my nauseous period were these candies called Pulse by Pass Pass. These are basically raw mango candies with black salt in between, and to my surprise, this was a great help. I used to have this after my meal, and this was sent to me by one of my closest friends, Puneet. I really liked that he made the efforts to send me this when I told him that I was nauseous all day. So now let's move on to some tips that I have for you to incorporate in your routine every single day to fight nausea. Tips that I've learned from my experience, and tips that I picked up from one of my prenatal classes on nutrition in pregnancy. So my number one tip would be, when you're feeling nauseous, sip liquids in small amounts. So even after every meal, even if you're very thirsty, take a bottle of water and just walk around with it, and do not drink more than 3 sips. This I learned it by myself. I even though I was thirsty, I wouldn't drink more than half a glass. That really helped with my nausea. My second tip would be, when you are done eating lunch, breakfast or dinner, just take small walks in your home for about 15 minutes, and do not sit or lie down immediately, because that works in the favor of nausea. And I used to take walks around my house. Like I mentioned, I used to feel nauseous after every meal, and I had this urge to brush my teeth after every single meal. So my fourth tip would be to, if you feel that way, then just brush your teeth with a toothpaste, or just give a nice mouthwash rinse, because if that helps you, then why not? And plus your teeth is cleaner and you just feel fresh. And my last and most important tip would be, every pregnant woman is given multivitamins to support healthy pregnancy, and I was given a multivitamin called Materna, and I realized that Materna multivitamins was one of the reasons that made me extremely nauseous, because it has everything in one capsule, and I hated that. So I went to the doctor and I requested him if he could change it. So then he gave me this multivitamins it's called Predvit. Basically it's broken down into 2 capsules. One is for the morning and one is for the night. And I can't tell you, immediately after I stopped that Materna, after having these, I wasn't nauseous anymore. It was a great help. And so if that is happening with you, then please ask your doctor to change the multivitamins, and I'm pretty sure he will understand it and help you with that. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope if not all, then some of the tips or some of the things that I mentioned really helps you to fight nausea. And if you're pregnant, then congratulations. If you are planning for pregnancy and terrified of nausea or so many other things that come along with pregnancy, then do not worry. If I can fight nausea, so can you. And who knows, you might not feel nauseous at all. So I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to share this with your friends who are pregnant. I will be sharing a lot of pregnancy related videos, including healthy eating in pregnancy. So click the bell icon if you do not want to miss any of my videos. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye bye.